Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can use your American Express gift card online. So first thing first, make sure that you're connected to an internet service and also make sure to watch this video till the end. So there are different methods of using your American gift card online. You can check your balance through American Express gift card, and the other one is you can use it as a payment method for purchasing a product online, and the third one is you can use it in store. So I'll be showing you how you can actually use it. So the first one is how you can actually check your balance through American Express gift card. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser, use any web browser of your choice, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.amexgiftcard.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So in order to check your balance, you need to make sure that you already have an account of your American Express. Only then you'll be able to follow with the steps. So you can see in the right hand side corner there is an option as check balance. Click on it. As you click on check balance, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see blank field, and here you'll need to enter in your information. The first thing is you need to enter in your card number, and then the expiry date and the year, and then the security code of your American Express gift card. Once you're done entering your information, you can either provide in your email address, that is optional, or you can just simply leave it blank and click on continue. And then on the other interface, you'll be able to see your balance. In this way, you can use your American Express gift card. So the step number 2, how you can actually use it as a payment method for purchasing online. So you need to open up any stores that you like. For example, let's say that if you want to buy a product from Zara, then what you need to do is you need to select the product that you want to buy it. So online purchase with American Express gift card are just like the other kind of credit card or debit card purchase. All you have to do is you need to select the product that you want to buy, and after that head over to your checkout process, and instead of your debit card information, you can provide in your American Express gift card number. In this way, you can use it as a payment method for your online purchase. For the step number 3, you can use the card in store. So generally you have to go to a store that accepts American Express gift card. Only then you'll be able to use it. Basically, you'll have to buy some product, and after that you can provide in your card detail and use it as a payment method. If the method that I've showed is inconvenient for you, then what you can do is one of the safest way of using your American Express gift card is that you'll be able to see a link on the back of your card of your American Express gift card, and you need to type in the link, and on that particular link you'll be able to use your American Express gift card online. So these were the method on how you can use your American Express gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.